Gracie and Co. Institute of Information Technology GCIIT Society Maukarwan ringkat ke District Commerce and Industry Centers DCIC Southwest Khasil District menta kesingi ke Southrik unaiwing arajapsan kelayo pan plebiang ya ke shlam hikai ni ke training saha ke bha ke basan 5th batch training bagi samla kinyo pan penteben kata hak electronics but electrical appliance repairing E&ER hakaba ya ke jinglang lapelong ha GCIITS Training Center Maukarwat Southwest Khasil District. Laban kedo bayakan ni ke program ni ke jing hikai kadai hapo jong ke scheme Rising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM bala baiting ka da ke World Bank tang kata ki samla ki ban sa shah hikai ni shah pentibin ki dan baro san pangut kata haka electronic appliance repairing ki dan apsan ngut ki samla but hak electrical appliance repairing ru ki dan apsan ngut ki samla but ke jingai hikai nakabenta jongki kan long tang hapo khat san sngi kumban shupan kan mau baya ka Gracie and Co Institute of Information Technology ni ka GCIIT Society Maukarwan lasdang ya ka nadu ukhat waitering ukala lingkon jong usnam arhajar khatway bat menta kala nangya chaprang hakaba lasdang banbu ki jaka aji kai ha ki jaka pa pher ban aji kai ki samla shenrang bat kinthai ki bale don lang ha ka ni ka sngi ki long uba V Agarwal consultant jong ka ram uba M War general manager jong ka district commerce and industry centers DCIC Southwest Khasil District uba VW Nongsit Managing Director but uba Day Uttarai jongka Gracie and Co Institute of Information Technology neka GCIIT Society Maukarwan lembat kinong tray hapo ka GCIIT Society Maukarwan ringkat kinong wan shah hikai niki trainees.
Jadi nasa jegai mana apa kan? Istimewas. Teman jangan deh. Setelah bagi janji parlok rumimut bahwa sebuah distrik di Watla hari kapur. Ketika pas baca semua ketika dipesan. Ya ketika training program ketika dekat sini. Semua bagi dia pelit jemut buat warna bang classes. Mau kalau kelas, waktu di training, si training, belakang dari institute, semua banyak waktu start, nampak di por kita katsan sini, di semua banyak lihat kena nampak kajian mutu yang dikejuki, mau, di kumpulan kajian kisah di training perfect di kajian kisah di banyak siu, totally training, dari hari ini kita kamen siu, lah siu dah kan, ini keram siu, mau, lebih kisah dah kan. Sarkar India limba ka World Bank. Jadi nong mau tay bentar nong jadi jing training program long free. Kaya ba invest nong hi lege. Investment jo bi lege. Apalagi ano kam dan investment na. Dan. Kaya mata pure training sini investment jo bi lege. Sampai tak susah. Jumpi bukan lagi. Dari kapur, mau. Your time kapur jumpi berpinuan dari berpi invest jumpi untuk bicara hikai. Dengan mana? Kesukaan menurut kamu itu kapur jumpi mentah. Perlu buat bahan kalau dah konsentrate bahan hiwan sini, konsentrate sengap bayi dan hikai yang itu. Mentah mereka ni wanita mensikai gitu. Jadi semua sengap hantam kita beri electrical, sengap AI, beri menentang elektronik, sengap AI serba hikai elektronik, mending mencu full around, mencu ya sebelum jeneng, mencu ketak kai di wayar gigi, sudah dan jimut, jadi sengap bahan, beli gaji mentoy di kecuali, mau, jadi semua punya konsentrate, kawai, sakawai kan lomba, kan hidup ini ni, kini dan jumut kini jumbat tapi ini no kini wala kipur di takat sangsi andai kandang ka kandang usor mi no usor mi no lo ki tindang bapin sina dan beri ba kibal electrical kilo dan problem hien da wiring dalam kendak jitut benda filet pet tapi tidak solve itu problem no dan kibri pasna hien sini kikwale wiring mun mungkin ja lala kan le mo dalam jala solve itu problem jong kibri sekarang mentah kamu baik tapi lah solve itu problem jong bisa kasawan lagi mo nah kalau kat kamu punya bisa kat kamu bintang dah hilang terima diberi ucapan begini.
So I just keep it very short and just give you a brief about what we're trying to accomplish and what the program is all about. So the RAM scheme, as you all see here, is an initiative of the Government of India by the Ministry of MSME. This basically meets small, medium and micro enterprises, which focuses upon, it's a basically commerce industries department, but focuses upon the smaller industries, not the larger ones. So in collaboration with the World Bank, we are trying to strengthen the MSME sector in the country of India. So this scheme is being implemented in almost all the states, and we here are specifically focusing upon the state of Meghalaya. So what our plan for Meghalaya is to strengthen the sector by providing the capacity building, strengthening the budding entrepreneurs which are operating in the state. We're also trying to encourage more people to start their own businesses. The second thing which we are trying to accomplish is to support the existing entrepreneurs reach out to the larger market within the state, outside of the state, and possibly outside of India. So market linkages is a second area which we are working upon. Basically bringing the producers, artisans in the state in touch, in contact with the buyers outside. The third area which we are trying to accomplish is improving the quality and competitiveness of the products of Meghalaya. So we are giving trainings in terms of packaging, in terms of exposure to newer markets, newer designs, in terms of licenses, certifications, packaging, those areas, so that the products become much more easy to market and become more competitive because they are in the larger market. So in this regard, this training on electrical and electronics appliances is part of our capacity building initiative. In this area, we are focusing upon textiles, food processing, bakery, electrical electronics, makeup and hair, these areas, so as to improve the livelihood opportunities for the youth and to give further training to the people who are already employed in this sector or are gaining some education in this area. So one of the areas in which you can utilize this training is to understand the basics in case you are new to this field or to build upon your existing knowledge. After completing the course, one area is you could be join the job market, gain hands-on experience, improve upon, build upon this knowledge, and hopefully, if possible, start your own business, start your own shop, start your own area, and employ more people. Because the best way to grow is to grow yourself and encourage around other people around you, help them to grow with you. So that's the longer route which we're aiming for, that you learn yourself, start your own business, and help your community grow with it. So the only takeaway, so that's our hope in the long term hope from this program. And on this note, we wish you all the very best for this program. Thank you.